So in the photography industry in Nigeria, the situation is different. When you check out some foreign videos where some persons are teaching photography, you see that they even have light metering to meter the light before they start shooting. So before they start shooting, they already have a correct setting of their light before they start shooting, which we don't have. And that has made us learn extra to be better than a lot of these persons, because we have to now learn how to fix light, learn how to now understand when to move our light and place our light. That has made us bigger. But yes, you have to understand something. When Coca-Cola company or any of these big companies that are out there, when you want to do something, there are sets of persons that they call to do this. There is one I want to talk about today. I want to talk about people that answer the name Color Evangelists. They are not owners of church or anything. Their work is to analyze color, tell you the best colors that will work for a particular thing, so that when you want to start using your color, you don't start using random colors to spoil your work. Their own is to just pick out colors. They tell you this color is this. They tell you, those people, they understand the meaning of colors. Each of these colors that you call out, they will tell you this color means this color means this. Even in the movie industry, the high-end movie industry, those people that are shooting the high-end movies, they have colorists in their midst that will tell them, okay, because this person is sick, let's use a bluish color. Because this movie is a kind of movie that people will die a lot, let's use a faded color. These are set of persons that direct these things like this. That's why you see professional movies, their mood, their colors tell you the mood of the film. So you should understand that there is somebody out there that answers the name Color Evangelist, or you can call them colorists. If this video has helped you, you understand my videos are very short. If this video has helped you learn something, no matter how small it is, please share this video to your story. You understand? Share this video to your friends. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.